Well, hello again. Here we are on the 29th day of the third month, and it was a beautiful Sabbath today, just delightful. And we're coming to you from Saskatchewan, Canada. My better three-quarters and I, who's on the other side of this camera, are visiting our oldest son, and him and his wife just had their first child, a little baby girl, 8 pounds, 3 ounces, and we're celebrating that. She was born on the new moon day of the second month. And with all of that said, again, just delightful. So we'd like to thank all of the Bereans out there sending their photographs. We'll put some of them on the community page. So again, here we are. There's a fully restored moon, a nice orange, yellowish moon here tonight in Saskatchewan, fully restored like it is in that same time period for the 29th day of the third month. So finally, at the dawn tomorrow on the pagan day of Thursday, July 14th, it will be New Moon Day. And we're in our countdown in the 50 days to YaHUaH. And we'd like to thank all of those Bereans that number their days with the first seven Sabbaths and then 50 days, the 40 days and 40 nights counts, and all of those folks that understand what day it is in regards to the Hanok 177-day count, let alone the prophetic counts. So in closing, this video is not edited. I'm not at home to do all of that. This is off the cuff, so to speak. And let me close by praising YaHUaH for the restoration of all things through his Son, the Messiah, YaHushua. Have a YaHUaH New Moon Day.